Why do some photos feel alive and others just feel flat? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Light is everything. Light is what makes a photo breathe. It shapes your subject, sculpts the scene and quietly tells the viewer how to feel, if that makes sense. Take the same scene at noon and then again at sunset. Identical settings, completely different emotion, because light carries feeling. When you understand light, you control the atmosphere. If you want something bright and joyful, look for clean, diffuse light. If you want something moody and intense, find shadows and contrast. Light is not just about seeing your subject, it's actually about feeling something when you do. Think of light as your paintbrush, because it determines the mood, the shape, and the story of your image in a single stroke. Harsh sun is bold and graphic. Golden hour is soft and dreamy. Blue hour is cool and cinematic. Cloudy light is gentle and flattering. And remember this, there is no such thing as bad light, only light you haven't learned to use yet. The best photographers don't wait for perfect conditions, they adapt, they observe, they make whatever light they're given work for them. And if you want to go deeper into building this kind of intentional thinking, check out episode 5 of the Ultimate Checklist series here, where we break all this down step by step. When you start seeing light differently, your photos will never feel the same again. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.